Hello, welcome to GT Company. Now we are looking into gas law. What is the gas law? Before that, you should understand about the gas. What is gas? It's an air-like substance that expands to fill the space it is in. So there are three different types of matters available. One is solid, the next one is liquid, the third one is gas. Gas also refers to a substance used as fuel. The typical examples are gas is a mixture of helium. Gas is the fuel you put it in your car to get it to move. Gas. It's said to be a state of matter consisting of particles that have neither a defined nor a undefined shape. So, typical examples are chlorine at room temperature, ozone, pressure of air. These are typical examples of gas. Gases holds three basic properties. They are easy to compress. They expand to fill their containers. They occupy far more space than the liquid or solid from which they form. That's the property of gas. Temperature of gases. Temperature is a measure of the energy of motion and it's called kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the particles that exist in solids, liquids, gas, or it may be in plasmas. It doesn't have shape. Kinetic energy, a concept of classical mechanics, is of the mass of a particle times its speed square. You can see here, kinetic energy is equal to half into of the mass of the particle times its speed square of mv square. M is the mass and v is the velocity. What is the pressure? Pressure is a force exerted by the substance per unit area on another substance. Pressure is equal to the force divided by area. Pressure of the gas is the force that the gas exerts on the wall of its container. When you blow air into a balloon, the balloon expands because the pressure of the air molecules is greater inside of the balloon than the outside. Pressure of the gases can be calculated using a device called barometer. Barometer is a scientific instrument used in meteorological department to measure the atmospheric pressure. So, pressure tendency can forecast short-term changes in the weather. Numerous measurements of air pressure are used within surface weather analysis to help find surface troughs, high pressure systems and frontal boundaries.